From the world leader in cordless innovation, Milwaukee introduces the Force Logic Press Tool System, the smallest, most intelligent press tools on the market. Designed to install half-inch to 4-inch copper fittings and is compatible with all major fitting manufacturers.
As a plumber, I've built a lot of different tools. The Milwaukee tool is very lightweight, very durable.
The Milwaukee tools are more user-friendly to us plumbers. They've been engineered to get in nice tight spots.
The cylindrical shape, all right, with no extra appendages at right angles, allowed our technician to get straight in, clamp the job, press it, and he's done.
Having the Force Logic and all the different crimping bands, it makes it very versatile.
We've been able to interchange between brands and still have had the jaws in the system work 100%.
When you're soldering fittings together, there's always that worry, is there going to be a pinhole leak? With the Force Logic tool, you crimp it and it's done.
I know I made a consistent and secure joint with the Force Logic tool by listening to the operation of the machine and then verifying with the green light on the trigger.
If it's not set right, it won't work, which is good. The old ones, it'll just press whatever and crush the pipe.
With this technology Milwaukee's using, it's very good. If you don't put it on the right way, it'll stop and it'll save you a lot of headaches.
REDLITHIUM batteries outlast other batteries that we've used, and they hold their charge a long time.
With the Milwaukee, we can use one battery for 3 different tools and not waste time changing batteries, looking for different charges and stuff like that.
One setup, done.
And I think it was a home run. I jumped on it as soon as I saw it. I said, I'm going to buy this one.